In this video, I'll demonstrate how to change your Facebook page password. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. And of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app. Now it's important to note that we cannot change the password for a Facebook page separately. We'll need to change the password for the entire Facebook account. Here's how. Go to the menu, tap on the gear icon to open up settings. Next, we need to access the Meta Account Center. To do this, tap on See More in the Account Center section. Then tap on Password and Security. Select Change Password. Tap on your Facebook account. Now you can change your password. Enter your current password in the designated field. Then come up with a new password. Your new password must be at least 6 characters long and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. Enter your new password in the appropriate field and then retype it for confirmation. Finally, tap on the button to change your password. That's it. Your Facebook account password has been changed. Remember, this will apply to your entire Facebook account, including any associated pages. Thanks for watching.